How to pay PayPal without credit card. Hello there and welcome to our tutorial on how to make payments using your PayPal account without the hassle of linking a credit card or debit card. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk through you the process of making payments, adding funds, and using your PayPal balance for hassle-free transactions. So whether you're looking to shop online or send money securely, stay tuned to discover the easiest way to utilize your PayPal account without the need for card linking. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So first of all, I'm already logged into my PayPal account, and then I want to show you on how to pay using your PayPal account without linking a credit or a debit card. If you go to the wallet section, you'll see your bank account and all the cards that have been linked so far. But just in case you want to make a payment without linking a card, here's what you can do. Option 1 is to link a bank account. A bank account is not the same as a card. When you choose to link your bank account, you'll be asked to provide an account number and your name to link it to your PayPal account. And you need to provide these details in order for you to link your bank account. But there's a useful information here that says, do I need to have a money in my PayPal account to use PayPal? It says that you don't need to have money in your PayPal account to use PayPal. If you link a bank account to your PayPal account, PayPal will take the money directly from your bank account when you make a purchase or send money. Then they're going to send you a receipt every time you make a payment from your bank account, giving you an easy way to track your spending. So I have another option for you. You can create an invoice and pay it to yourself. You can add a customer and pay using a credit or a debit card and then hit send. And then another option is the easiest is to add a gift card to your PayPal account. You can pay with your PayPal balance without linking a bank account or a credit or debit card. Just buy an e-gift card and add it to your PayPal account. Your gift card balance will appear in your PayPal account and you can use it for payments. This is the simplest way to use your PayPal account without linking a card or bank account. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more PayPal related tips. Thank you for watching and we'll see you the next time.